Welcome to a tutorial on how to optimize your Vista computer by Word-X8. This right here is a computer that's running Vista that I'm basically show you a tutorial of how to make it faster. And this is right from after I installed Vista. So you'll see the custom settings. And a lot of these things are optional, but they will help speed up your computer. So I'm just going to run through a bunch of different things. So for instance, here's one, the sidebar. Some people may think it's pretty, but it does waste a lot of space and RAM. So you can close the gadgets you don't want. You can add gadgets you do want. You can just search and stuff. And one way to do this is just right-click Windows Sidebar, the icon on the Task Manager, and you hit Properties. And the first option says Start Sidebar when Windows starts, and just uncheck that and hit Apply. And then close the taskbar, the gadgets bar. And this will help your computer run a little bit slower. This wastes a lot of crucial RAM you could use for other things. And another thing you should do is you should right-click the desktop and hit Personalize. This will bring up a personalization option. And on the last option says Display Settings. Click that. And one thing you should do right when you get your computer is you should set the resolution to what you want it at. And you should also go to Advanced Settings and go to the monitor option, and where it says Screen Refresh Rate, put it at the highest value you can get it to go to, and hit Apply. And this will basically make your computer flicker faster, so you'll see less lag, and it'll allow you to get higher frames per second and such. And those are two things you should do right off the bat. And also, you should install all of the updates that your computer can install presently. So for instance, to do this, just go Start. In the search bar, just type in Update and hit Enter. This will bring up Windows Update, and it'll say like download updates, because I had to download all the updates just to make this video. And so just download those. If you have Ultimate, then you can just download the additional ones. It's pretty simple to do. And you may need to restart your computer a few times. Once you initially download the first batch, you may need to continue to download more. So basically, when you start up the Windows Update, download it, and then when you restart your computer, see if you can download more. Because a lot of times you can't download them all at the same time. That's quite annoying. Some more things you can do is you need to make your computer run really fast. You want to minimize the amount of taskbar icons you have. So if you have like a Bluetooth icon, you just hit Remove. If you have this icon, you can open the Security Center and you can make it so this doesn't show. And just do that for all the icons so they don't show up. Because the less icons you have, the less RAM you're using. And also, if you go to Start All Programs and under the Startup option, if this is not empty, what's happening is when you start up your computer, these are all the applications that run. So just if there's any, you might want to delete them. That also uses space. Another thing you can do is you can increase your virtual memory. Which to do that, just go to the Start, right-click Computer, and hit Properties. Go to Advanced System Settings, which is on the left under Tasks, the last option, and hit Continue. Should display the Advanced tab automatically. And under Performance, where it says Virtual Memory is one of the options, just click Settings. And select Custom. Actually, before you select Custom, select for Best Performance, and then select Custom. So then all of them will be automatically unchecked. And just select the last two, and the fourth to last. Fourth to last is Smooth Scroll List Box. Check that, and then the last two, and hit Apply. You can go to Advanced, and it says Virtual Memory at the bottom of it, and hit Change. And what you want right here is you want to do Uncheck Automatically Manage Page File, so you can put in a custom amount of RAM, and click Custom Size. Right here, what you can do is you can specify how much RAM you have. So you want to type in about 2 times the amount of RAM you presently have, which in my case I have 2 gigs. So type in for initial size, type in the 2 gigs, and for maximum, type in 2 times that, which should be 4096, and hit set. After you do that, hit OK. And it says you need to restart your computer, so after you do that, just restart your computer. And then your computer will be running a little faster. I'll restart it later just so I can finish this. When you start Windows to begin with, you'll see this little welcome center thing. And this gets annoying after it pops up a while, so just make sure it says run at startup and uncheck that option. And then just close this window. And one of the last things you can do is you can shut off user account control, which to do that, just click start, type search, and just type in user, and hit enter. So bring up user account option where you can just edit a lot of things. And the last option says turn user account control on or off. Just click this, hit continue, and uncheck that, hit OK. It says restart now or later, and I'm going to start later for the sake of this tutorial. And just close out of that. And user account is really, really aggravating. Whenever you want, it's basically whenever you try to open something, it does a pop up and it wastes time. And if your computer's slow, then it could waste a lot of time, and that's not really good. So that's basically it. I plan on making more computer-related videos in the future. If you'd like to know more about a specific topic, please send me a message via YouTube. If I feel that it's a good topic, then I'll make a video on it and post it. Please rate and comment this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. I may make more videos in the future that you may like. My YouTube account is youtube.com/hortx8. My River account is river.com/u/hortx8. Thanks for watching. If you want to get the embed code to my video, then go to the right hand side of my video and click more. And then at the bottom of it, it'll say embed code can be found at, and click the link. This should bring you to the same video at my River account, and the embed code can be found right at the right side. And you can just copy this, copy it into your website, or wherever else you want it.